Welcome to a world of rhymes and fun. Today we are going to explore words with pup, pop, and all their friends zap, pup. Pop is up. Look at him go, jumping high into the blue sky. Cup, pup, hop in cup. He is very small, and the cup is very big, pup. Cup, cup on pup. Now the cup is on his head like a silly hat. Red, red, they call me red, red bed. I am in bed. It is cozy and warm. Red, Ned, Ted, and Ed in bed. There are so many friends in one place. 1, 2, 3, 4, tall, small. We are all tall. We are all small. Growing up and down is fun. Now look, we are tall. We are taller than the trees and the birds in the sky. All, ball, we all play ball. High up on the wall, do not fall, fall off the wall. Down they go onto the soft green grass below. Bowing, bowing, bowing. Day, play, we play all day. Night, fight, we fight all night. Oh dear, look at them go. He, me, he is after me. Him, Jim, Jim is after him. Everyone is running fast. Look at Pop. Pop is here. Pop is on the hill. He looks very happy to see us. Hop, hop, we hop on Pop. It is like a bouncy castle. Hop, hop, hop on Pop. Stop, you must not hop on Pop. Pop wants to take a little nap now. Thing, sing, we like to sing a song of things. Tra-la-la-la-la, Pat, cat, Pat sat on cat. Pat, bat, Pat sat on bat. Pat sits on everything. No, Pat, no, don't sit on that. It is a cactus. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Walk, talk, we like to walk. We like to talk. Walking and talking with a friend is the best. Slow, go, we walk slow. We go, go, go. The day is almost over. The bed, it is time for the bed. A big bed, a long bed, a bed for everyone. Pop is in, Pop is in. The children are in. Everyone is ready for sleep. The moon is up. It has a sleepy smile. Dot, 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 it is time to say goodnight. Good night, Pop. Good night, Pop. Good night to all the words we learned today. Sweet dreams. Thank you for reading with us. See you next time for more rhyming adventures. Goodbye.